am going to tell you the next paragraph. Last paragraph is there. I have something to tell you. Firstly, she has told her, that was the good news about the doctor has told her she is good in condition now, she is improving. Next is there, I have something to tell you, white mouse. Why she has a refer what the Johnsy as a white mouse? Because people who are close to each other often call that was with different names, like Josie call often the Sioux like Simidai, and what that she was calling to her, she called her white mouse. She said that I have something to tell you, white mouse. She said Mr. Behrman died of pneumonia today in the hospital, and because he was suffering from pneumonia, and Mr. Behrman who lived where he lived that in the on the ground floor, he died due to pneumonia today in the hospital. He was ill only 2 days, he was sick for only 2 days, but the janitor is called, that is the person that who takes care of cleaning and repairing a building. He gave me information about him. The janitor, what that was, he has also found him the what morning on the first day in his room downstairs, helpless with pain. Janitor found him, that was morning time. He was the first day when he got pneumonia, he suffered from pneumonia. At that time, first day of his pneumonia, in his room downstairs, he was helpless with pain. His shoes, he was suffering from the pain, he was suffering from the pneumonia. His shoes, and who gave the information? The janitor gave the information about the Behrman. The first day when he got the pneumonia, at the time downstairs, he was what? When he visited to his home, at the time he was helpless with pain, and his shoes and what there was clothing were wet through an icy cold. It was the his shoes and the clothes were wet, it was drenched through an icy cold. It was because the outside the rain was there, due to the rain, and what the that was what the continue rain, it was drenched, but it was wet through the icy cold, because snow was also there. Nobody could imagine means cold, no one can imagine that where he had been on such a dreadful night. Dreadful night is terrible night. Dreadful is called the terrible night. In that unpleasant night, nobody could imagine, nobody knows that where he went to, what to whom he has just gone to see in that terrible night. In the that continue rain was there, and it was what strong wind was blowing, and the snow was there in that terrible night where he went. And then they found a lantern. Lantern is called, that is the that is that without any light, and with the the old type is there, that is lantern is there, still lighted. It was lantern is there, you can look at the picture, it is called the lantern. So lantern was just, it was still lighted there, and a ladder is called, that is the it is using to what climb on the wall on the floor. And a ladder that had been dragged means pull from its place. It was what pulled from its place. He needed what things, the lantern, and it was still lighted when he visited to his home, and that had been dragged, means pulled from its place. And some scattered brushes, scattered means spread the brushes here and there. And a palette is called where they are just mixing the color, in which that was the thing that is they are using, the painter are using for the what mixing the color, that is called the palette, with green and yellow color mixed on it. Two colors were there, green and yellow colors mixed on it. And look out of the window, dear. And now you have to look out the window, dear. At the last ivy leaf on the wall, last ivy leaf of the wall, what didn't you wonder? You are not shocked to see, you are not stunned to see that white never fluttered. Fluttered is called, it is never movement is there, it is not waving or moved when the wind blew. You have to see properly. If you will see properly, that you have to see carefully. It is not fluttering. Fluttering means with the wind, it is moving or moved when the wind blew. At that time, darling, it's Behrman masterpiece. It's the Behrman masterpiece. Look what the real, what was it was the look real what leaf he painted it there, the night that the last leaf fell. The last leaf when it was fallen from the what stem of the ivy creeper, that was vine. At the time he painted because why he painted, and he has the selfless love, he sacrificed his life for you. Throughout the story, we see a very what that pessimistic girl named Johnsy who has not willpower or strength to recover from her illness. The last leaf is the what it is showing the Behrman masterpiece. It was just showing the masterpiece. It was so accurate that it gave a what new life to Johnsy. He was very protective about the two women, and he proved that this by sacrificing his life so that Johnsy could see the leaf whenever wake up, and so what find hope to live on. And he has also sacrificed his life for Johnsy, so Johnsy will not lose her hope. So this is that he what he has just given, he has just given a he gave a new life to the what Johnsy. Thank you so much.